Okay, within this video, we're going to show how to create a customer within Zoho Books. If we go to Sales and we go to Customers, then we can click on our New button at the top. So for here, we're going to enter this in as a business. So my contact is Susie Smith. Company name could be Harmony Spa, for example. So it's giving me, what do I want to know this as? So I'm going to say Harmony Spa. So we can enter in an email address, susie.@harmony spa. With a telephone number. The VAT treatment is mandatory because if you are a VAT registered business, then you need to know how to account for the VAT, and it is always based on where the customer is based, and we're saying in the United Kingdom. Here you can also change the currency of your customer. So I'm going to always have this default to sterling. I'm also going to say that Harmony Spa's invoices are due within 30 days. And I am going to add an address. So the address will be United Kingdom. And I'm going to complete the shipping address as well. From here, you can create different pieces if we've got different contacts, or we want some custom fields that we can set up, or we always wanted to go to a particular department every time that our invoice is being created. We can also have a little note section here. Once we hit save, our customer has been created. And now we can add invoices, putting through the data that we've asked for.